Portable cordless car vacuums provide quick, convenient cleaning, removing dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. My today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum portable cordless that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ronier Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Ultra Lightweight. The ultra-lightweight cordless vacuum redefines convenience and efficiency for home cleaning. Weighing under 2.66 pounds, it's designed for women, elders, and pet owners, allowing effortless maneuverability without fatigue. Its anti-tangle brush roll and LED lit head make pet hair removal a breeze, capturing even stubborn dog hair and illuminating hidden debris under furniture for a thorough clean. Powered by a brushless motor delivering 48 kPa suction, this vacuum offers 40 minutes of eco runtime, 23 minutes on mid, and 15 minutes on max, tackling everything from crumbs on hard floors to embedded carpet hair. The 0.8L dustbin empties with zero contact, keeping hands clean and manicure safe, while the washable HEPA filter traps 99.97% of pollen, allergens, and pet dander, ideal for sensitive skin or allergy sufferers. Versatile and adaptable, it converts from a stick vacuum to handheld, with multiple tools for floors, crevices, stairs, cars, and even ceiling fans. Backed by a 365-day warranty and lifetime support, this vacuum combines power, portability, and hygiene, making it an essential tool for effortless, allergen-free cleaning. Now our second product is Saker Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The 3-in-1 mini car vacuum is a versatile cleaning powerhouse designed for every corner of your home, car, and office. With blowing, sucking, and pumping functions, it tackles everything from tight keyboard gaps to large stains on sofas, car seats, and carpets, making it a truly multifunctional tool. Its 15,000 PA high-speed brushless motor ensures strong suction, effortlessly picking up sand, dust, and debris from both small and large areas. Equipped with a washable HEPA filter and a durable fine steel filter, this handheld cordless vacuum maintains peak performance over months of use, while easy washing extends filter life to over a year. Compact and lightweight at 7.8 inches by 5.8 inches, it's highly portable, and the included storage bag neatly houses all accessories, perfect for stashing in a glove box or drawer. The vacuum set comes with practical nozzles and attachments, including a brush sleeve for stubborn dirt and a blowing accessory to inflate swimming rings or assist in outdoor barbecues. With Type-C fast charging, this mini vacuum delivers convenience, portability, and multifunctionality for everyday cleaning needs. Our third product is Stearman Portable Hand Vacuum Cleaner. The cordless handheld vacuum is a perfect blend of power, style, and convenience. Equipped with an ultra-powerful motor and strong suction, it easily eliminates dust, dirt, and debris from any surface, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Its sleek, minimalist design comes in black, white, and pink, making it a stylish addition to any home or car while delivering high performance. This vacuum is versatile and efficient, compatible with a wide range of surfaces, including car interiors, sofas, carpets, furniture, and even keyboards. Say goodbye to the hassle of cords. Its wireless design allows you to reach tight spots and hard-to-access areas with ease, giving you complete freedom while cleaning. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the lightweight and compact body ensures comfortable handling, reducing arm fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Whether you're tidying your car, sprucing up your living room, or tackling small messes around the house, this mini vacuum combines mobility, efficiency, and style in a convenient, easy-to-use package, making it an essential tool for everyday cleaning. Now number 4, Jonish Handheld Vacuum Cordless. The 16,000 PA portable cordless car vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning companion. Featuring a high-performance motor with 16 kPa suction and 72,000 revolutions per minute, it effortlessly removes pet hair, food crumbs, and debris from cars, sofas, and home surfaces. Its multi-purpose accessories, including a long nozzle, brush nozzle, and extended hose, make reaching tight corners, cushions, keyboards, and hard-to-access areas quick and easy. Equipped with a 7,800 mAh battery and Type-C fast charging, this handheld vacuum delivers up to 30 minutes of runtime after just 3.5 hours of charging, making it perfect for home, office, or car cleaning. The dual filtration system combines a washable HEPA filter and a metal filter, trapping 99.99% of dust and particles, while the 400 ml dust cup allows hands-free, one-click emptying. Designed with convenience in mind, it weighs only 1.7 pounds, features cyclone suction technology, an LED light for dark corners, and an ergonomic handle. And our last choice is AOPen Handheld Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The AOPen Handheld Cordless Vacuum is a powerhouse in a compact package. With an upgraded brushless motor delivering 22,000 pascal suction at 95,000 revolutions per minute, it effortlessly lifts dirt, pet hair, and debris from car interiors, carpets, and home surfaces, leaving spaces spotless. Its 6,000 mAh battery provides up to 35 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, perfect for multiple sessions without constantly recharging. Speaking of charging, the Fast 9V2A system fully powers the device in just 2.5 hours via various sources, from car chargers to laptops, with built-in surge protection ensuring safety. Weighing only 1 pound and measuring 8.2 by 7.8 by 2.5 inches, this vacuum is highly portable and easy to maneuver, ideal for cars, RVs, or tight home spaces. The washable HEPA filter traps 99.9% of dust, preventing clogs and sustaining strong suction, while the 200 ml dust cup empties quickly with a one-click release. Overall, this handheld vacuum combines power, portability, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance cleaning tool. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.